Hello Jiwaku! In the previous video, we learned about how to evaluate injections well performance. Meanwhile, in this video, we will learn more specifically about history matching. Let's get started. History matching is the act of adjusting a reservoir parameters, then modeling the fluid flow until the model match with the measured data. The data that should be matched are mass flow rate and pressure at a given time. Several parameters can be adjusted, such as wellhead pressure, permeability, fluid temperature, well diameter, material roughness, and reservoir pressure. The objective of history matching is minimizing the differences of the observed data and the model, so that we can produce credible and reliable predictions for business practice. Then, when is history matching done? In the geothermal phase, there are 5 stages: preliminary survey, exploration drilling, delineations drilling, productions drilling and power plant construction, operation and maintenance. History matchings be performed in operations and maintenance phase. In some cases, history matching carried out to monitor productions well and injections well. Therefore, proper parameter adjustment is required in the history matching process to give a not misleading insight about the conditions of the well. Here is the general procedure for history matching by Aditya et al. Conventional history matching involves modifications of the fluid flow model during the model refinement process. Although it is currently well understood that history matching requires an interdisciplinary approach that should involve a team of geoscientists and a reservoir engineering, this traditional approach is often employed in assisted history matching method. Here is the workflow diagram. The geological model is created, which is the basis of the fluid flow model. The fluid flow simulation is run, and history matching modifications are applied to the flow model. If the error between model and measure data is large enough, so back to step 1 to adjust parameters, and then fluid flow simulation is run and compare the model again with the measured data. This process is done until the model match with data. From the explanation above, conventional history matching requires a lot of time and effort. To do the history matching process is carried out every day with several parameters adjusted, so we propose using machine learning to complete the history matching. History matching using machine learning is done by inputting field data and determining which parameter will be adjusted and which parameter will be compared. In generally, the parameters compared with the field data are mass flow rate and pressure. The process of history matchings use machine learnings, start with training models, model evaluations, and forecasting. From the previous explanations, we can take several conclusions. First, history matching is the act of adjusting a reservoir parameter, then modeling the fluid flow until the model match with the measured data. Second, history matching usually is performed in the operations and maintenance phase. Third, proper parameter adjustment is required in the history matching process to give a not misleading insight about the conditions of the well. Lastly, is conventional history matching requires a lot of time and effort, so it will a good thing if machine learning can be used. So I think it is time to end a quick walkthrough to history matching. Keeping up for the next video about geothermal and Jiwa system. See you in another video. Bye bye.